Hey everyone, today I'm reviewing one of the best purchases we've made, and it's the Fatboy cooler. We use it almost every day during the summer when we're out by the pool. We pack it full of snacks, and this cooler keeps everything ice cold while we're out, even in the hot south. It has been a game changer for our pool days. It comes with dual stainless steel bottle openers, sturdy handles, dual cam latches, and a textured slip-resistant lid. It holds 60 cans and about 50 pounds of ice cubes, keeping everything cold for hours. The external dimensions are 27 inches by 16 inches by 16.25 inches. The internal dimensions are 21 inches by 11 inches by 11.25 inches. I highly recommend the Fatboy cooler if you're looking for something to keep your drinks and food cold for a long period of time. It's durable, practical, and perfect for pool days. Let me know in the comments below if you have a Fatboy cooler and what you think of it. If you are interested in checking out this cooler, I will put a link in the description, or you can go to kongsumer.com/cooler. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.